How to fix Rainbow Six Siege not launching. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. So if your Rainbow Six Siege is not launching, here are a couple of things that you can do for troubleshooting it. Firstly, you need to run the game as the administrator. When you run it this way, the game is provided with necessary permissions to run properly. If not that, check for your graphic drivers. Outdated graphic drivers can cause compatible issue. If you are using AMD or Nvidia, you can check out for the latest version in the respective websites as well. And make sure to update your graphic driver. Then, verify your game files as well. This process checks the integrity of your game files and fixes any corrupted ones. In order to do so, if you have it as your Steam, you can right-click on your Rainbow Six Siege in your Steam library. Go to Properties, select on Local Files and tap on Verify Integrity of Game Files. If it is on Ubisoft Connect, verify the game files through the Ubisoft Connect launcher. By this way, you shall be able to launch your Rainbow Six Siege without an hassle.